Imagine you come home after a long day at work and your partner greets you with the question, what do you think we should have for dinner? Boom. Just like that, you are being tasked with coming up with the answer. Compare that with a different question. You come home and you're being greeted by the question, what do you think of Thai? If you like Thai, and who doesn't, case closed. Even if you don't like Thai, it will be a very different conversation because you are immediately talking options. Now this is a peculiar example, but when you engage stakeholders, the same principle applies. If you want to get traction around something that's important to you, make it easy for people to give you what you want. Often without realizing we're doing the opposite though. We invite people for brainstormings and workshops and all these sorts of things. And very often that stems from a good place. We want to be respectful and we have an idea of collaboration that requires us, or where we believe that it's most effective and meaningful if we do all the thinking together. What we overlook is how much easier it is to react rather than to generate. And that's exactly the Thai example. If I ask you, what do you want for dinner? I ask you to generate. When I give you an option, I allow you to react. So what can you do? Instead of asking people to join brainstorming sessions, meetings and all the likes, take it on you to come up with a draft and then get people to react to it. Two key success factors. Number one, don't attach yourself to your own draft too early. An early draft, rather than being about right or correct, is about putting something in front of people to make it easy for them to elicit what they really think, their mental models, their assumptions. So much easier than asking them, can you share your assumptions with me? They have to come out through reacting to things. And secondly, don't get attached to an early draft either. When stakeholders say, well, I don't want to engage with this anymore because this early draft still has holes. Well, of course it does. That's the idea. So very helpful to signpost why you put a draft in front of people and what's the status of this draft.